In this video, we are unboxing and testing out this magnet package that I bought from this retailer for this amount of money. And here is what you get in the box. First up, we have got size 10 extra large waterproof gloves, which are absolutely useless to me. There was no size options available when ordering. Into the abyss they go. Next up, we have a grappling hook. With the pulling force of this magnet, I'm currently unsure whether this will be useful or not. Time will tell. But do note, you do not get a second line of rope for this within this kit, so you will need to purchase one separately. Okay, now we have got 20 meters of rope, which is more than enough for me, and it comes in this beautiful fluorescent orange, so you will have a hard time misplacing it. Also, on the end, it comes with a stainless steel carabiner, so you won't have issues with it trying to attract itself to the magnet when putting it on. This little guy protects the magnet from getting damaged. This is locking glue to stop the nut from coming undone. And this well-presented little box has got the main show inside. That's right, it's got the 600 kilograms hardcore magnet. It's definitely at the lower end of the fishing magnet strength scale, and there will be some out there who will say to leave this magnet on the fridge where it belongs. But if experience has taught me anything, it's all about the motion of the ocean rather than the size of the ship. So once I've put it together, let's get to the fun bit and go try it out. So this is what the magnet looks like now it's all put together. If you do go buy one of these and think, I'll just tighten this bit up, yeah. Don't put your hand in between the magnet and a screwdriver, which I may or may not have done, because it hurts. So yeah, be careful. Fishing hook. Oh. Little eyelet. Another nail. Bigger nail. I can grab you. What? Monster. What's on here? Ugh. Jesus. Washer. Or a very small, well, I won't say it. You can guess. Vape. Fizzy cherry. Yum yum. What is this? It's a belt from something. So I've roughly spent about half an hour here. I'm now definitely got a feel for the magnet and feel a lot more comfortable with it. It's definitely similar to the last one, whereas it can grab stuff. I can feel it grabbing it, but it doesn't have that. It doesn't have that power to be able to pull anything up. But I'm not losing faith just yet. I'm going to go try it in a few more spots, and then give an overall verdict of what I think of this magnet. So let's go. Look at this wall. As well as making it out of flint and bits, there's also bits of pottery in there as well. There you go, if I save up enough trash, I can build myself a wall. This doesn't feel safe. Alright then, location number 2. We'll try the dunking technique rather than chucking it. We'll lower it down and see if we get anything. Being careful of this. Ooh, have I got something? What's that? That's gonna be, Jesus. That's going to be like the top of, see, like, I know what I mean in my head, but to get the words out. Oh no. Stuck. That was a click. I would say, what is that? But I've got a feeling it's an hammer. Alright, got it off. Hey, that's one I ain't got before. Can mark that one off me magnet list. Ooh. Oh, if the magnet was just a little bit stronger. Got it. Got it. I was about to give up on this magnet, but maybe it's stronger than what I gave it credit for. It's a pig iron. Oh, we've got something. Oh my god. Have you clicked? Have I got it? It's heavy. So it's got concrete on the end. What do you reckon? Old bit of bridge, maybe? So there's something small on there. Same as before. Yeah. Oh, no. Ow. Ow. Oh. Well, it wouldn't be a day out magnet fishing if we didn't find a bottle cap. Got another one. Got one of them. Got something. Oh, something good. Something good, something heavy. Oh my god. What? Oh, cat's eye! From the road. Yes. Definitely. Heavy. And it's another bar. Right, and on that note, I think it's time to pack up. Alright, now that I'm all packed up, here's a closer look at everything that I've found today. And my first thoughts on this little magnet is that it is a good little magnet to begin with. For me personally, I don't think I'll be able to grab anything with this that I would struggle to pull up, and I probably could have gone for a slightly stronger one. That being said, getting this magnet off things once I've pulled them out does require me to put in a little bit of effort. So, am I going to go out and buy a slightly stronger one for another 100 quid? Absolutely not. It's a good beginner magnet. I'm going to carry on using it over the summer and see it at its full potential to see what it can do. Don't forget, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a like, and if you want to follow along for more, make sure to click that subscribe button.